Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to locate and retrieve archived emails in Outlook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, and then you want to go to where it says Tools. Go ahead and select that, and then select Clean Up Old Items. Move old items to an Outlook data file. Go ahead and left click on that. Now there should be an archive file path that's listed at the bottom here. You can notate it by just seeing each backslash is a different subfolder it's on your computer. You can also select the Browse button, just be directly taken to such folder, in which case you can go ahead and right click on it, copy it, open it up in Notepad or Word or some other format as well if you want to open up that archive file. And that's pretty much it, guys. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.